Hi, welcome to the Team Kickoff meeting presentation for Honeywell's new product line, the High Performance Conveyor Systems. My name is Prathamesh Deshmukh, and this is for Management 520 Professional Communication class at Harrisburg University of Science and Technology. The agenda for this meeting is to provide introduction to the company, then project introduction and the current status of the project, then the introduction of project team members, which includes their designation as well as the brief description of their level of knowledge. Then the project goals and objectives, which includes financial goals, management goals, as well as engineering and manufacturing goals. Then project timeline and execution, and finally the recommendations. Now, introduction to the company. As you all know, Honeywell is a multinational company with its headquarters in Charlotte, North Carolina. It has a global workforce of more than 100,000 employees all over the world. They have offices, manufacturing units all over the world. And Honeywell mainly operates in four business areas. The first one is building technologies, which provides building solutions such as installation of security fire alarm systems as well as renewable energy solutions. The second one is safety and productivity solutions, which we call as SPS business, which mainly provides mobile scanning and industrial safety products and services. The third one is aerospace business, which provides commercial and military aircraft engines and flight control systems. And fourth one is the performance material and technologies, which we call as PMT business. It provides products and technologies to process crude oil, natural gas, as well as other toxic material. Honeywell also is involved in health and pharmaceutical industry. During the height of the pandemic last year, it started manufacturing of N95 face masks as well as PPE kits for the health workers at their different manufacturing facilities in United States as well as all over the world. The Honeywell's total revenue touched around $41 billion in 2018, but it declined to 31 billions in 2020 due to the pandemic. Honeywell was part of the New York Stock Exchange, but then it shifted to NASDAQ in order to present itself as a tech company. Despite all this, Honeywell still remains the rapidly growing industrial manufacturing giant. Now, introduction to the project. As I said earlier, Honeywell SPS provides industrial safety products and services. But now the Honeywell SPS is introducing new product line of high performance conveyor systems into the market. There are four types of conveyor systems. The first one is flat bed conveyors, which has flat curves as well as helix curves. These are the most important conveyor systems because we can transport any kind of parcel or packages on these conveyor systems, small, medium, or even large size of packages which weighs around 60, 70, 80 pounds. The second one is spiral chutes, which includes channel chutes as well as safe glide chutes. The third one is strip mergers, which includes 30-degree as well as 45-degree strip mergers. These mergers are used to join multiple conveyor systems for transportation of products. And the final one is small parcel queues, which we call as SPQs. Now the targeted industries are there are four main industries where these conveyor systems are used. The first one is e-commerce and retail industry, which includes big companies like Amazon and Walmart, where thousands of products or packages are transported every day at their business facilities. Then the second one is express parcel industry, which includes UPS, FedEx, DHL, or USPS. The third one is airport industry, which includes international as well as domestic airports. And the fourth one is food and beverages industry, which includes companies like Coca-Cola, Nestle, or Johnson & Johnson, where thousands of their food products are transported at their business facilities. Now, the main manufacturing facility of these conveyor systems will be in Dallas, Texas. And the another manufacturing unit is being planned at Cincinnati, Ohio, and that will be ready by 2023. Honeywell SPS is planning to hire around 50 new employees in various departments at their Dallas facility. Those departments includes sales, then estimating department, manufacturing, and production department, as well as purchasing department. And the employee training program, as well as the promotional plans for those conveyor systems, are also being created. You can see the pictures of safe glides, spiral chutes, and flatbed conveyors in this slide. This is how those conveyor systems look. Now the project team. The first one is Mr. John Walden, who is the CEO of Honeywell SPS. He has 20 plus years of experience in SPS industry. The second one is Mr. Andy Gartman, who is the CFO. He has done masters in accounting and finances, and he is also a CPA. The third one is Mr. Mark Anderson, who is the regional director. He has 12 years of experience in handling United States, Mexico, as well as Canadian business of SPS. The fourth one is Mr. Simon Macklin, who is the Dallas plant manager and business development director. He has done MBA in business analytics, and he has 20 plus years of experience in marketing and leadership. Then we have Mr. Michael Hake, who is the director of operations. He has done masters in mechanical engineering, and he is expert in conveyor system manufacturing. Then we have Richard Krolik, who is the senior design engineer. He's a CAD specialist who has 10 plus years of experience in product design. Then we have Dustin Dees and Jim Dobbins, who are the part of estimating department. Then I am the project manager. I have done PMP certification, and I will be handling the initiation, planning, as well as execution phase of this project. And then we have Mr. Thomas Bennett, who is the procurement specialist. Now, goals and objectives. So the main goal is to provide the world-class material handling solutions to our clients. As Mr. John Walden says, Honeywell is working to engineer and provide innovative material handling solutions to their clients to resolve their complex material handling challenges. The second goal is to expand Honeywell SPS business in US, Mexico, as well as Canadian market. The third goal is, of course, improve Honeywell's engineering design capabilities to manufacture high quality end products so that Honeywell can increase its competitiveness in the global market. Another goal is to improve Honeywell's manufacturing capacity, and that's why another manufacturing unit is being planned at Cincinnati, Ohio by end of 2023. Then become key supplier of material handling units to big companies like Amazon, Walmart, UPS, FedEx, etc. Then of course add more workforce to Honeywell company by creating multiple job opportunities for US citizens. And currently Honeywell SPS segment's total contribution to Honeywell's profit is around 10%, but by 2025 our goal is to increase that profit to 20%. Now, project timeline and execution. So as of now, we are in August. So from August to September, our main goal is to set up the factory. The factory is almost set up right now, but we are still buying few more equipments. Then research and development, which will begin, and preparation of training program for new employees. Then in October, the product trial run will be done at the facility, and marketing of these products will begin. Then from August to November, Honeywell is planning to hire 50 new employees and then train them at their manufacturing facility. By November, the new product line will be introduced into the market. As the promotion strategy, Honeywell is planning to invite all the engineers from Amazon and Walmart and UPS to their Dallas manufacturing facility in order to look at the quality of manufacturing. Then from November 2021 to November 2023, the goal is to improve the product manufacturing to meet the increasing demand and become key supplier to Amazon and Walmart and other companies. By November 2023, the new manufacturing unit will be started at Cincinnati, Ohio, and by November 2025, the Honeywell SPS total profit contribution will be increased to 20%. So finally, we are here at recommendation. So thank you for paying attention to this kickoff meeting presentations. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me at my email ID. My email ID is p.deshmukh@honeywell.com. And that's it. Thank you again and have a great day.